Have you ever verified your NC programs to ensure they are error-free, only to encounter an unexpected issue on the shop floor that wasn't visible in the simulation? What if you could verify your machine parameters and setup, monitor the machine in real time, and even review the machining process after it has occurred, all without ever stepping away from your desk? CNC machine connectivity combines the power of VERICUT with Scytec's DataXchange software, so you can connect with and use real-time data directly from the machines on your shop floor, directly within VERICUT, to help you gain insights and make more informed decisions before, during, and after machining. Before you hit cycle start, use the pre-check function to examine the machine setup and verify your machining environment matches what has been simulated in VERICUT. Any differences between what was verified on the digital twin and the actual machine will be flagged. You can then review these differences and make adjustments directly within VERICUT before sending the program out to the machine. Pre-check can also be run on the shop floor by the machine operator with the standalone pre-check app. During the machining process, CNC machine monitoring allows you to watch the machining process live on a digital twin inside VERICUT software. See if the machine is running, where it is at in the NC program, and whether or not manual adjustments are being made during the machining process, all in real time. After machining is complete, the post-check function is an investigative tool which allows you to retrieve archived data directly from the machine and review the entire machining process from start to finish within a VERICUT simulation. Use this tool to inspect and diagnose any issues that occurred during machining of a specific part at any time after machining is complete. These three tools can be used alone or in conjunction with each other in order to give you the most accurate digital twin possible. Mitigate unforeseen problems, make more informed decisions, and machine more confidently with CNC machine connectivity. Contact us today to learn more.